In this video, you will learn how to create a thumbnail for YouTube. You go across to Canva and you can either create a design or search. So I say thumbnail and YouTube thumbnail pops up. But I've already got a template, GroSpace, YouTube. There we go. So I'm going to go across there. And I'm going to slide down. What I recently learned is that more image space is important. So you might want to place your image up to there. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to create another image. Digital marketing. Let's try that. Why are we wasting time doing that when we could just go over here? And make it look pretty. So I'm thinking success, and I'm going to change this to digital marketing. I'm going to delete that. Not quite yet. Actually, I can do that. I can change this color to a bright color like red. Delete that. Success, digital marketing. I'm going to delete all these. Delete that. Success, digital marketing. I'm actually going to duplicate this by pressing Command D or Control D. And then I'm going to say, learn how to market your online e-store. I will shrink that down. Let's try 16. Let's go look up here. It's 15.3. Copy that across. Paste it over there. Double tap that. Control C. Command A, Command V, or Control A, Control V. And it's done. And I wonder how that's going to look. Let's delete, let's deselect all of those, go right down to the bottom. Let's click download. Okay, let's go back here. Let's upload. Cool. I'm actually going to go and delete this. Delete that. Delete that as well. Transfer this across here. YouTube. Right, I'm actually going to go back here because I'm not feeling like this is doing anything for me. I'm going to go thumbnail. and I can select one of these. The problem is that this is not our brand identity. So if I go back and go back into here, our brand identity doesn't look like this, does it? It looks like this. Except it doesn't have that. But now I can just change this. I'm going to make this bold. Control B or Command B. Okay. Learn how to market your online e-store. Let's take this, stretch it up a little bit. Just a tad, like that. That looks smart. Shift that across. White space is good. This is called white space. This is also called white space, wherever you see nothing. How to be a success. Digital marketing, learn how to make your online e-store. That is a good page. But I'll get better at it, for sure. As you go, you always get better. I'm actually just going to delete this because I don't like that at all. This looks much better. I think something that would be great would be something like this. I've got all of these free stock photos. I'm going to go free vector. Which one would be the best? Probably this one here. That also looks really nice, the token, so does that. But this is the most recognizable. So let's download it. All right. Uploads, upload image. Rotate it like this a little bit. Too busy. I don't really like it in this size now, to be honest. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to download this one. Okay. Let's duplicate this so you can just compare. Paste that over there. Make sure your spacing is correct. There we go. That looks good. Certainly looks better than that. It pops a little bit out of the screen with that yellow. That's why I think that this yellow might just be the one. Where is it now? dollar symbol. Okay, so it is downloading. Let's see. You know what? I think that there's something with the RAM that's giving us issues here. Let's just duplicate this. And all that you need to do okay, something strange. Ah, must have been removed. Let's try this way. This way seems to work the best. Ah, there we go. Very strange. Cool. Not right. That's better. I don't like the positioning of this. Too close to the edge. More of those. Oh, that works. Download number 7. Apologies for the loud, funny bird sound. That's a plover. Okay, so we've got that now. Should we go across to YouTube and upload a thumbnail? Okay. It says it's here. There we go. That looks quite smooth. And this is going to your how-to videos. Done. Great. Oh, the doggies just come by. Hello, Dano. Cool. I'm going to put it as public. And publish that. Fantastic. My battery's about to die, so I need to quickly plug it in. And there we go. So now you've got a nice YouTube upload, plus you've got a very nice looking thumbnail. Close that. That's all for now.